India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich, varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity